dapat storyteller din ang editor mo. Pag napansin mo na yung edit niya chronological order, ibig sabihin hindi siya magaling na editor.
Ako, maraming guilty dyan.
Sure! I'm telling you, ang differentiator nito, if you give this file to an marunong lang mag-edit and a master editor, the output would be way different. Even if they have the same material. Bakit? Because that master editor is capable of really leaning in, finding those right little words na ipagkakasunod-sunod. He knows how to grasp the entire story, ano yung pinakalaman ng sinasabi mo.
Sa totoo lang, maraming mas magagaling mag-edit. Like, ang ganda
Technical wise.
Pero ngayon, mas hinahire namin yung storyteller talaga.
Yes.
Kasi, ang ganda ng edit, pangit ang story, walang manonood sa video.
Tama. If business owner ka or if you're a content creator na looking for an editor, dapat meron ka sa team mo. Kasi if you're performing without that, it means that you're missing out 10 times of the performance that you could have gotten.